In this video, you will learn how to review images captured on your EVOS FL Auto 2 imaging system. The EVOS FL Auto 2 imaging system is capable of saving images from a single field, scan, time-lapse, and Z-stack. These images may be reviewed within the Review tab. Clicking the Review tab will bring up your Review menu. Here you can navigate to your saved location for your previous image. Use the navigation window on the right side of your screen to find your saved location. When you have found your saved location, select the image subfolder below your saved folder. If you wish to review a specific file type, use the View menu to load a specific file type. Click Load Scan to load images within this folder into the Review tool. To look at a specific field, double left click on your field of interest to move to your field location with your selected image. On the right side of your image, you will see a field and scan metadata. This will display information like channel settings, used to capture the currently selected field or the entire scan. If you wish to adjust image brightness, contrast, or gamma, you may do so in the Image Display Settings toggle. Click Save if you wish to resave your image with these new display settings.